Howdy, hey folks, we got some easy pickings over here. Oh. Yes. Oh yeah, got all the line on that one too. Sweet. The legendary Beetlespin, 1/8 ounce. All right, let's see what this Beetlespin can do. Well, it spins. People absolutely love these. I haven't fished them very much, but I'm excited to fish it today. Let's do it. Oh, right into a tree. Oh, that's why you don't just rip it back at yourself, folks. Oh, we got something. Come on. Ooh, I'm going to just try to rip him in. Come on in here. Yes! Oh, sweet! Look at him. He is gorgeous. Thanks so much, dude. Back you go. Well, folks, thanks so much for coming out with me today. I had a great time, as per usual. Until next time, I'll catch you later.